Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just going to do a quick update on a potential trade setup on crude oil. So I'm not going to get into the long-term, multi-year weekly chart of crude and all the Elliott wave patterns on that. That would be interesting and significant, but perhaps a topic for another video. That would take too long for this. So this is the 4-hour chart of crude. We have what appears to be a significant top at 66.66. We have an impulsive looking wave down from the high, and that went to as low as 58.07 in what could either be an A wave or a 1 wave. Now we've come up in a very distinct looking 3-wave advance in A, B, and it looks like the finishing touches are being put on wave C in what would either be a B or 2 wave. And then at that point you'd be expecting reversal and then continuation of this initial move down in either a C or a 3 wave. Okay, so why is this such a good trade setup? Well, other than the actual clarity and the internals of this Elliott wave structure, which are quite nice, by the way, you have an attractive risk-reward setup. And, okay, if the wave 1, 2, 3 down scenario is in play, your risk is the size of this little yellow rectangle I've drawn, and your potential reward, okay, is more along these lines. So much greater reward potential than risk. So that means you would want to abandon the trade or have a stop just above here, depending on what kind of trade you were doing, whether you were selling oil futures contracts short or whether you were buying futures puts on oil or selling an oil ETF short or buying oil ETF puts. Doesn't really matter how you play it. That's really your choice. But what's important is the clarity of the pattern, the risk-reward setup. Also, Elliott waves aside, we're extremely overbought on the 4-hour RSI, which in the past, even in this uptrend, has led to pretty decent sell-offs, okay? There and there at least. And then stochastic is just overbought as well, just complementing RSI. So I just thought I'd bring it to your attention. Very nice trade setup. Let's see how it plays out. Serial Trader signing off.